Inevitably, people buy classic cars and then they find out that there are issues with the engine because it's making noise, dadgummit, and he just bought this thing. So now what's the problem? Well, this very well could be the issue, and that's a bottle of zinc. Zinc is what you need for older engines if they are called flat tappet motors, and if you don't put the zinc in there, the engine will actually start to disintegrate on its own and you won't have a camshaft. And that's what's happened here. This poor engine doesn't feel well anymore and it's making all kinds of burping and noises that won't allow it to run again until it's removed and replaced or rebuilt. So when you buy a classic car, be sure that you buy a bottle of zinc. You'll have to drain your oil down a little bit, but make sure that you've got zinc in it or the oil that you're using has zinc in it. I don't trust those oils anymore, so I keep zinc around the shop, and we add an additional bottle of zinc to everything that we change the oil on. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. You can look at other videos and check out my tools on my website, wilsonauto.com.